Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be analyzing Bitcoin against US dollar using a 4-hour chart. Then I will switch to a daily and a weekly one in order to analyze the medium and long-term trend. Actually, what is happening now, we see a retracement till 14,000 US dollar, which was the previous high. Actually, I was expecting a much deeper retracement till 7,500 or 8,000 US dollar, while Bitcoin went down till $9,700, and from there it went up again. I will be using the accumulation distribution on balance volumes in order to realize if there is some sort of divergence with the price action. Okay, this might anticipate the future price prediction. Okay, so here what we happened, we had an engulfing bearish with a long black candle engulfing the long white candle, the previous long white candle. Actually, this long white candle was almost out from the Bollinger Bands, which means the volatility was high. That's why I was expecting retracement. Okay, here we have a point of control with volumes much higher than the average, okay, than the volumes before. So what happened here? Someone is suggesting that there is an inverse head and shoulders, one shoulder, head, and the other shoulder. Actually, it's not quite clear having a look to the 4-hour charts, but let's analyze now the accumulation distribution and the unbalanced volumes. Okay, so what happened here? While we don't see any divergence, okay, with the unbalanced volume, since here the unbalanced volume give us the high, and here we have low which are lower than the high. What is happening here is the opposite. Actually, while the price is still below the relative high at 14,000 US dollars, since now the quotation is 12,800 US dollar, we see that the accumulation distribution is above the high that which was here. Okay, so actually this is a sort of bullish divergence. Actually, it is a bullish divergence. Okay, which might give us an idea about the possible continuation of the movement high. By the way, let's see. Most probably, the price Bitcoin is going to test again 14,000 US dollar. It will be a crucial area because from there we might see some very strong movement again, or another retracement, which might be this time much deeper, or if we will see a long white candle breaking up the previous high at 14,000 US dollar with a retest of that area. So we might see a long white candle breaking 14,000 US dollar, and then 2 or 3 candles like a doji or reverse up in ball testing again 14,000 US dollar. From there, we will know that we will have space until the all-time high at 20,000 US dollar. So in terms of trading, in terms of speculation, in terms of short-term trading, we might want to open long positions up above 14,000 US dollar. But before, in order to avoid some fake breakout, we want to wait to see what it will happen with the 14,000 threshold. Okay, so we want to see a long white candle, very long one, okay, with a big volatility, so with distance between the high and the low, and then we want to see a retracement with the retest of 14,000 US dollar. Once we will see a candle closing above the first one was broken, the horizontal resistance, there we might follow the movement up. Either else, we should expect again a movement downwards. Let's now switch to the 1-day chart. What we see here, actually, we see here that both accumulation distribution and unbalanced volume are following the price action. Again, here unbalanced volume, here the level is at the same level of the high at 14,000 US dollar, while the accumulation distribution is higher than the previous high. Okay, here in correspondence with this long white candle, this was the high, okay, for the accumulation distribution. Now we see that an higher high, okay, while the price is still below the 14,000 threshold. Okay, now let's have a look here with the volumes. The volumes are, we have this is a daily chart. For now, we have even if it's the is the current daily candle, but obviously it's not over yet. Okay, but here what we see actually 5 small white candles. Okay, we don't see, let's, for example, this one or this one or this one. Okay, they were much more impressive. Okay, with, of course, this one, for example, was with high volumes, higher than the average before. Okay, so let's have a look now. This 14,000 US dollar will be very key level. It will be very important. We will see a test, okay, of this area. If Bitcoin will be successful to break up above the 14,000 US dollar area, then we might see a movement till 20,000 US dollar. But again, now we will see what it might happen. Here we have the weekly chart, and here it's quite interesting. Okay, while here we have an horizontal, let's have a look to the accumulation distribution. Here we have the all-time high at 20,000 US dollar, and the accumulation distribution, we have a sort of horizontal resistance at this level. Okay, 2.5 million. Okay, let's have a look here. 2.5 million actually. Okay, this is the area, exactly 2.5. Okay, what we have here is that the accumulation distribution is broken above the horizontal resistance, which is actually a super positive factor for us. Okay, it's a super positive signal for us. Let's have a look now to the unbalanced volume. Unbalanced volume actually is pushing higher as well, still is below the all-time high. Okay, but it's perfectly following the price action. Okay, even if here we see that while the price is actually, no, the price hasn't hit a new high, because yes, there was this doji, almost a reverse up symbol. Actually, on a weekly basis, this candle looks like more than a doji, okay, than a reverse up symbol. But again, here we had very high volumes. Okay, oh, again, now we just have to wait. We have to wait and see if the price will be able to overcome the 14,000 threshold, the 14,000 area, and after the retest, okay, we will understand if Bitcoin is going to have a fake breakout or not. If not, we will see immediately 20,000 US dollar is all-time high retest. Okay, so we just should be patient for a few days more, because now we are approaching actually the 14,000 US dollar. Now is quoting almost 13,000 US dollars, so we are really there. With actually the volumes are decreasing, but today is just Wednesday, so let's wait until Sunday. Okay, and we will have a better idea. Actually, I was predicting a much deeper retracement. I was thinking, okay, let's spot again to the 4-hour chart to conclude my analysis. I was expecting a retest of the 4,000 US dollar area, while it didn't happen again. Again, now this is the situation. Actually, Bitcoin is quite bullish, is very bullish. We just need to wait until the next test of 14,000 US dollar. From there, we will know if, okay, from 14,000 US dollar to 19,000 US dollar, we have 5,000 US dollar, okay, of difference. So that will be a great gain, and it will happen in absolutely in few days. Once we will know that the breakout is real, it's not a fake breakout, we will see immediately the Bitcoin going to test the all-time area, the all-time high at 20,000 US dollar. Okay, thank you.